uh, and so we will discuss about the characteristics of the tourism offers, like what are the different types of characteristics of the tourism offers. Like intangibility is one characteristics, and perishability is one characteristics, and inseparability is one characteristics, and heterogeneity is one characteristic, and the non-ownership is the characteristics of the tourism offer. But if we talk about the tourism product and services, we can get like 20 or 30%. There will be tangible and no a non-perishable and separable factor as well. So that is what we are going to discuss today. Like if we talk about tangibility, what is the character? What is tangibility? Intangibility. Intangibility is nothing but something like, if we talk about transportation, what are the things that is like intangible, like the services which are provided by the transport or which are the provided by the driver, that is called the intangibility, that we cannot see but we can experience the service which is provided by the transporter or the driver. And even like cleanliness, that is one factor that we can see in the intangibility. So you can go to any car or any train or any airlines, we can see the cleanliness, but that is also a characteristics, like intangible characteristic, like ambience of the airline, ambience of the crop, ambience of the cabs. All these are the characteristics of the tourism's offer. So what will be the tangible factor that we can see in the tourism services, in the tourism offers? Like tangible factor is like what type of goods we are getting, what type of craft we are traveling into, and like comfort of the seat, either the seats is having leg space or not. So these are the tangible factor which can be seen and which can be which can be touched, like you can touch the seat of the aircraft, you can touch the seat of the cab. So these are like the tangible factor into the tourism offers. Like, and if we will talk about the what is the intangible factors, what is the intangible feature in accommodation sector. So the services provided by the staff who are working there, even the cleanliness and the ambience of the room and the reputation of the hotels. So these are like the intangible feature of that hotels. And if we talk about what is the tangible thing that we can see, that we can touch into the hotel, so like what kind of hotel we are getting and what kind of room. So there are different types of room, like standard room, deluxe room, uh, premium room, and suite room. So these are the tangible thing that you can see and that you can go into the room and you can touch the room as well. Like phone is like tangible thing that you can touch it, and conference facility, these are the tangible thing in the accommodation sector, in the hotel industry. And if we talk about the attraction part, like activities and all, so what is the intangible things in the at the destination, the ambience of the destination and the image of the destination and the popularity and the accessibility, these are the factors that are very much intangible in nature. And if we talk about like what are the factors that are tangible that can be seen, so like hotels we can see with our eyes, and local transport, these are the things that we can see it, like souvenirs. So these are the things that we can buy it and we can carry these we can carry these things to our home after our package is over, after our tour is over. So even though tourism industry is like very much into like service sector, but still we have some kind of characteristic that is like tangible in nature. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
after
sir.
that, the second characteristic is perishable. Like if we talk about in the transport sector, so what is the perishability? Like unsold seat on the journey. Like if a cab is having the capacity of 4 people, they can travel in the cab, and if only 3 people are traveling, 2 seats are unsold. So it is like very much perishable in nature. We cannot use the same 2 seats for tomorrow. We need to use it today only. If the seat is not sold, we cannot use it tomorrow. Like in case of hotel, like if a hotel is having the capacity of accommodating 200 people, but the thing is that they are not in a position that they can accommodate like 200 people, so some rooms will be sold out, some rooms will be unsold. So in that case the same room cannot be sold for tomorrow, because again tomorrow there will be capacity for 200 people only. So in case of accommodation like in case of accommodation like unsold room and food, these are the thing that is like very perishable. We cannot sell the room which is not occupied by tourists today, we cannot sell it tomorrow. Like in case of restaurant as well, the food which we have already processed, the food which we have already prepared, we cannot keep it in the, we cannot keep it for tomorrow. We need to use it today only, and if we are going to keep it for tomorrow, it will be like it might get destroyed or something like that. It may happen. So these are like very perishable in nature. So services are like very perishable in nature. We need to use it today, and we cannot hold it for a longer time. Like in case of a product, we like for example, uh, this is a book. I can hold it for more than 15 years. But services like the hotel room or the airlines ticket, we cannot hold it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But in case of product, we can keep it for a longer time. We can store it and we can use it whenever we want to use it. Like this book, we can use day after tomorrow. We can use after 1 year, 2 years, like that we can use. But the thing is that in case of services, we are not in a position to keep it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It must be used today only, otherwise it will be perished. Like in case of attraction, unutilized capacity, like if a destination is having the capacity of attracting 100 people, and if it is not getting 100 people, so it will be like unutilized. We are not in a position to utilize the 100 people. We are not in a position to utilize the capacity of 100 people. So these are like very much, we can say, very much sensitive. We have to be very much good in marketing so that we can be in a position like we can get the demand as per the capacity that we have. Like if a hotel is having the capacity of uh, 200 or 300 people, the capacity must be fulfilled. And if the hotel is not able to attract more tourists, more guests, then there will be unsold rooms that we cannot use it in the next coming days. So because of that, uh, it is very important for the marketer how we can manage the demand. Like in case of peak season there will be high demand, and in case of low season there will be less demand. So that is what we will discuss, like how we can manage this kind of issues in the next slide. So what are the non-perishable things like physical feature, like seats? Seats can be used anytime, curtains, AC, etc. These are the things that is in transportation sector. Like AC, we can use it today and we can use it tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Anytime we can use it. Like in case of accommodation, like in case of hotel industry, like fixtures and furnishing, like the bed and the furniture that can be used for, that can be used in good attraction, they can be used anytime. So this is also there in the tourism offers. Now the third inseparables. What is inseparable? In the sense that if I want to go, if I want to experience a destination, I must reach to the destination. And if I am not able to reach to the destination, I cannot utilize. I cannot experience the destination time and at the station. So that is called the separable. We cannot separate the services uh, from the from the destination. Like in case of accommodation, the rooms and the food, if we are there only, then we will experience the ambience of the room, utilize the room facilities. Otherwise, we will not be able to utilize. In case of attraction, like we have to be there at the destination. Are you getting my point? We cannot separate this from the
Sir, your
attraction.
voice is like breaking.
Am I clear now? Is it,
Yes, sir.
am
It
I
starts
audible?
Yes.
breaking in the middle, and the audio and the video also gets stuck.
Okay, I think I should go very slow because it's like maybe network issue. So like, and what are the things that is like favorable in tourism offers? Like in the transport sector, we can carry the bottles that we are getting in the tabs, like towels that we are getting in the like in the bus in the bus and all, that we can touch it, that we can see it. So these are the like shiftable things that we want to carry. We can ask the permission and we can carry the towels or the pillows. In case of accommodation, what are the things that like separable shaves? In case of attraction, what we can separate, like souvenirs that we can take from the destination and we potential.
Sir, your
You're
voice is breaking.
getting stuck very
We
badly,
have
sir.
both.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Audible now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's fine now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the fourth characteristic is heterogeneous. So
Sir, it's gotten stuck
heterogeneous is
again.
nothing. I don't know what is happening. I have a
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, like
Sir, it's again
the
getting stuck.
services.
It's getting stuck again, sir. Your video is stuck and your audio keeps breaking.
Let me see the network. Can you hear me now?
It's still
Sir,
unclear.
we can hear you, but your voice starts breaking. But then your video is like just stuck in one place.
I don't know what is happening. I just know that it is not like taking the voice. So
Sir, it's stuck
Sir,
again.
we can't hear you.
yes, uh, the driver can provide the services very well sometime, and sometime he will not be in a position to provide the services. He will not be in a position to provide the same kind of services, because it is like the behavior of the stock changes every day. Sometimes he might be very happy, and because of that he has provided good services to the tourists. And in the accommodation sector, like the people who are working at the front office, sometimes they might be very happy, and because of that they have given good services to the customer. So it happens like, because human natures and human behaviors are not always same. It depends on, so many reasons. Sometimes we have some kind of personal issues, some kind of we have family issues, and because of that our nature and our behavior affected. Am I audible now?
So it still keeps getting stuck, the audio. We can't hear the whole thing. It gets stuck somewhere in between and then it clears up again.
Like you said, the driver, that was clear. After that, for the next 1 minute, it was breaking. And then after that, again, it was clear. So we don't know. Like, there's a lot of disturbance.
Okay, then I'll again start. Like the services which is going, which is like which is being provided by the driver, it will not be same always. Sometimes the driver might be very happy, and because of that he is providing good services to the traveler. In case of accommodation, the people who are working there in the hotels, so their natures, their behavior is also affected by so many reasons. Sometimes
So your voice is breaking.
So we can't do it.
We can't hear you, sir.
we can't.
Chat and breaking.
Can you hear me now properly?
It's still not clear, sir.
Then what should we do now? Should we
I
log
don't
in
know.
again?
Your video is also getting stuck. Your audio is also getting stuck.
So it's like one word we can hear. After that, it's stuck completely.
So we can do one thing. Everybody can log out, and after that we will join again. It will be like normal. Can we do that?
Okay, sir.
What, sir?
I will just log out, and after that, after 1 minute, I will again join the session, and you can log in now. After that,
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
sir.
that we can do it.